What's up everyone, it's your girl Korea from Naturally Aired on TV, and I'm back again with another video. This video is going to be on my white noise machine maker, and it looks like this. This was sent to me from a company to review, and I received it Saturday and I've been using it since then. It's a white noise maker. And it's also a charger, iPhone charger. It also has Bluetooth speakers.
My intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you never lose me. Steady claiming that.
So this machine does quite a bit. I'm very pleased with it. So it helped put little man to sleep. I use it to Bluetooth my music, and I also use it as a phone charger. So I would give this machine 10 stars. If you haven't gotten one, go get one. I got it off Amazon.com and the link is below. Don't forget to tell them who sent you, and thank you so much for tuning into this review, and I'll see you guys in the next flipping video. Peace.